this car is gonna have a fuckload of mods on it.
Hello guys, welcome to this new episode of Golden Berry. On the last episode we told you something really cool was arriving to the warehouse. And now Max just called me, he's minutes away, so we're waiting this new toy to come in. Man, this thing is amazing.
Yo, what's up? You guys like this?
Yeah, man.
This has been a dream of mine for so long. This is a transporter, but it's not any transporter. Come to the other side, I'll show you exactly what it is. So this is a 2012 VW T5 facelift. It's got a couple scratches, it's quite old, it's got 110,000 miles or 184,000 kilometers. Basically, this thing has been imported by Lomba Garage, but up in Bolzano, northern Italy. I bought this in Germany and I did all the TUV homologations on it for everything I modified on it. So basically, I modified the wheels and the suspension, and they're all now on the car documents so the police can't say anything. This is a double cab or DOKA T5, which are really rare, and especially in Italy, you don't see these, and especially anywhere in the world, you don't see these with static minus 120 millimeter suspension front and back.
Damn, is slammed on the ground.
With a flatbed. We're gonna take this off now.
This thing is thick.
I know. It's so thick. It's also got some camber in it. We've already done some little modifications. I couldn't help myself, sorry guys. Basically, up here there was a horrible yellow-orange tent.
Disgusting!
We took that out. We took out the skeleton of that tent. I've already done some modifications on this. I couldn't help myself. Apart from the suspension and the wheels and tires. I took away, there was a huge orange tent here. I think this was a highway work van in Germany. So, took that off myself, the skeleton, whatever thing that was holding it up. Now I'm gonna go to my friend's shop and we're gonna take off this gray flatbed box. I don't know how to explain it exactly. And another small thing I did, I took away the wheel arches right here. There were some plastic wheel arches and I took it off so I could slam it a little bit more. I'm really excited about this build. This is a dream. I don't know why, but things like this make me really happy. I'll give you a full exterior tour and an interior tour. So let's go around and see this thing. So 20-inch MB design wheels supplied by Lomba Garage. The wheels are sitting on Bilstein minus 120 deep suspension. The front end has some little things we've got to fix. This thing, but it's nothing too crazy. And let's see the interior. So this is where the most unique features are, because it's quite a unique van as a whole, but inside we've got some really cool accessories. The Webasto camping heater that uses diesel from the back, and it sucks it out and it burns it and it keeps the cabin hot and warm during winter nights. By being a double cab, it's not a fully cab transporter, so it doesn't have the back, but it still has a second row of seats back here, which is quite comfortable for friends and whatever when you're traveling with some people. We also have 3 seats in the front. They're both heated. Here is the Webasto up here where you can turn on the heating. It's pretty cool. Just turn it off. 20 minutes. We'll start. So that's it.
Guys, you just saw the new truck and it was awesome. But one question. You didn't told us why you bought this car.
Well, I didn't tell you why, because it's a fucking secret. But what I can tell you is that I'm gonna make it fucking crazy, and we're gonna go tonight to Tony at his shop, and where he's gonna help us take out that horrible thing right there. We're gonna take out the back bed, and we're gonna make it into a full flatbed.
Let's go. Max is enjoying his
Fucking
new
hate
truck
traffic.
while we're stuck in the traffic right now. And there's Pipino here chilling as well.
So what's up, guys? We're at Tony's place. This is where we work on our cars during the night. So we're taking off these panels from the flatbed, and we're gonna turn it into a mini truck. It's nothing crazy, but it's something you can do at home. It's nice. Let's do it.
Okay, that was dangerous. He almost killed.
È caduto sul piede che non c'è, però. So what's up, guys? We took off all the sides and we're left with the flatbed. This is how the van looks right now.
Okay, so that was hilarious. We laughed about it all night, and now we're here on day 2. Max is cleaning the truck and started to do some stuff. So now he will show you.
Oh, what's up? So we tried to make a bed. It's not the best bed. However, it gives me an epic feeling of being a truck slash a like a hot shot truck in America. Kind of the ones they use like with a Texas fifth wheel on the back. Take a look. This was just a small mock-up to see if a bed could actually fit. However, I contacted a camper conversion company and they're gonna help me sort out the back. It's still gonna have a bed, but it's gonna be a bed and a bench. But we'll see how it looks. On top of this, I'm gonna try and make the rustily swivel seat bases fit in the combi like this. I'm not really sure if they're actually gonna fit. On top of this, I've switched my tires to winter tires, and the back looks really good without the box on it. So I think we're gonna keep working on it, and I think I'm gonna redo the back and something extra on it, on top of an exhaust. An exhaust is mandatory. This thing looks like shit. There's nothing much to add. Like, this van is epic. Like, I've always dreamed of something like this, like since I've seen Cars, like the cartoon movie Cars. It gives me like that kind of feeling, that kind of vibe. I could never put a 01 on it because YouTube would immediately cancel this video, but it generally will look epic on this truck. In the next few videos, we're gonna show you a lot of interesting things. First of all, this car is gonna have a fuckload of mods on it. We're gonna do interior, we're gonna do exterior, and we're gonna do some little extra bits I don't wanna reveal right now. And on top of this, you're gonna ask yourselves like, why do I have this car? It's gonna tow something. It's gonna tow something really epic because it's gonna be my new project. You guys have asked me, where's the Golf gone? The Golf is gone. I'm gonna sell it. It's so fucked up. And the cops, they really didn't like that car. It got way too much attention. The next one is gonna be kind of a sleeper, but it's gonna be epic. So guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Cheers. Cheers, bro. As promised, I'm gonna unveil to you my new project. The nice This car was designed by an Italian designer.